Okay, so the final step is for us to fix our invisible zip. So let's open this part back. Now remember, we folded. Now this is our invisible zip. There are so many ways or method of fixing our invisible zip. So I'll be using with my invisible presser foot. So we have this. Now this is the top part. This will be at the top here. This will be at the top like this. It will be at the top like this. This is how it will be. This is how it will be. So this will be the top part. This is the back part of the zip. Now to begin with, you open this. Now this is the part here. So if you take a look, you see a small plastic there, very small plastic there. If you take a look, I don't know if you can see there, you see a small plastic there. So now taking this, you place this, making sure we use the plastic there. You use the plastic there. If you take a look, you see that the plastic is exactly at the black point there. See the black bias point there. So we'll now sew this. Remember, this will be on top of this. Remember, we folded ½ inch, right? So this is a ½ inch. So this part will be on top of the ½ inch, making sure you have it exactly on top of the ½ inch there. So we'll now sew. Take note, you're sewing this just to the ½ inch alone, not to the full. You open this. Okay, let me open this. So you sew this. Okay, there is it. Okay, all right, so this is it. You're sewing this one here to just this ½ inch alone. This is from here, the ½ inch. So you're sewing this, and please take note that the plastic there should be, I don't know if you can see, it from there, right? Okay, so let's do that now. I don't know how they go. Okay, I'm sewing one part to the ½ inch, as you can see, using my invisible presser foot, just one part alone. So you're sewing this, all right. So stop there. Then you pick up your second part. Now this is the second part, which is this. Make sure that this part is facing up, and this is the back side of your zip. So you also place it. Please take note of your plastic there, because that is what to use. By the time we zip up now, both will be equal. That is why you're using the plastic as the measurement there. Take note. So we also fix the second part as well. Making sure that the plastic is exactly at the point there. So we'll sew this. We'll now sew this. We're sewing this just to the ½ inch alone. Okay, so I've done the first sewing. So we'll close this. So let's check. All right, now if you take a look, you notice that both the two blacks, the piping black, both are equal. What helped us was as a result of that plastic we used. Now if you take a look, you will notice that the zip is still showing. Remember, as the name implies, invisible zip. So we'll still do. So this time around, we'll sew very close to the. Remember, look at the first sewing, as you can see the black there. So this time we're sewing very close to the mouth here. So you watch. Remember, you're using your invisible presser foot. So this time we're sewing very close. Okay, so this time around, remember, this is the second sewing. We're sewing just by the side here, as you can see. This is the first sewing. Now we're sewing closer to the main zip itself. So you're sewing right. All right, so I've done the second sewing. Remember, we said you sew very close to the mouth. So we zip up to check. So we're zipping. All right, so as you can see now, it's very neat. This is how to fix your invisible shoulder zip for your senator. So as you can see, you zip this down to the point. So you see now, as the name implies, invisible zip. As you can see, it's not showing. All right, so quickly we'll unzip this. So quickly, you take this, the excess here, you take this back, then you now fold. Let me repeat again. This is a good side. So you flip this back, right? You now fold the ½ inch, right? Then you now top stitch. You just top stitch. Okay, so I've done this folding and I've done the stitching. So we folded and we Okay, so I've done the folding and we did the stitching at the top there. So quickly, let's close this. So you close this back. So you close this. All right, so this is how to sew your senator with, you can see now. So this is, so quickly cut off this part. Quickly cut off this part. Quickly cut off this part. Now, please do not zip back, because if you do, it will just pull out. So quickly, before the next thing, so this is how to go about fixing your senator with your pipe neck and your invisible zip. As you can see, it is well relaxed and neat. All right, so we have this. So as you can see, this is it, looking relaxed and neat. As you can see, the invisible zip, this is it. This is how to go about fixing your invisible zip. So the next thing you quickly do is to join your sleeve. Then you join the body, which I'll not be showing us that. I already showed us. Now, before you join your sleeve, take note, before you join your sleeve, you make sure that you have your accurate shoulder one, and you make sure that you trim this part. Make sure that the upper part is a bit deeper. Let me show us this part as well. Then you put your knot. Now, the reason why we're trimming this, you can do this while cutting. Now, take a look. If you take a look, I trimmed the front part deeper than the back. The reason why we're doing this, one, is to avoid this part being squeezed. If you take a look at some senator top, you notice that this part is rumpled or squeezed. Take note. So the essence of this is to avoid that. You can just dip in it a little. So you make sure that you have your exact shoulder measurement. You make sure you also have your exact chest measurement before you now join your sleeve. By so doing, you have your relaxed point at this. So once again, you're watching PJ Collection Clothing online class.